Welcome to my channel. Nonser Wi-Fi Extender Setup. 1. Plug in the extender. Insert the Nonser Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router and wait for the LED lights to stabilize. 2. Reset, if needed. If the extender was used before, reset it by pressing the reset button for 10 seconds until the lights blink. 3. Connect to the extender's network. On your device, phone/laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Nonser_Ext. 4. Open the setup page, open a browser and enter 192.168.188.1, or the URL mentioned in the manual, to access the Nonser Extender settings page. 5. Log into the extender. Use the default login credentials, admin/admin, or check the manual. Six. Select your router's Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Input your router's Wi-Fi password and click Connect to extend the network. 8. Wait for the extender to reboot. The Nonser Wi-Fi extender will restart and apply the settings, which may take a few minutes. 9. Reconnect to the extended network. Go back to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the new extended network, e.g., your Wi-Fi_Ext. 10. Relocate the extender. Move the extender midway between your router and weak signal area, ensuring a strong connection. Thank you for watching.